be a fucking superstar. Hello, you sexy mother lovers. Welcome to another video of All This Chest Hair. Boom! Also known as 4 tips, well that's 8, of how to be a superstar. And yes, this video is meant to make you laugh and be a little tongue-in-cheek, but we're also going to talk about real things that you can apply to all parts of your life. So if you don't have a sense of humor, you're gonna have to grab one. You're gonna wanna buckle in, sit back. You might even wanna put your phone on pause because this is gonna be the best 10 minutes of your entire week. Because we are going to learn how to become a superstar. Not just any star that just twinkles in the night, no. We don't play those games around here. We play blinding lights like The Weeknd. Burning brighter than a tiger's desire at midnight. So if you want to be a wild animal like me, because I know you're sitting in quarantine thinking, what do I want to do with my life? What do I do with all this extra time? How am I going to find my purpose and my soul? And then you think, ooh, I want to be like that bald guy who wears amazing outfits and moans into microphones. I'm so hard to Haunted. You want my love? Oh, the heavens have sang. So, you are very welcome for what I'm about to throw down at you, because we're gonna dive right into it so that you can live your best life and be who you wanna be. So number one, know your angles. Cheekbone on point, jawline, ooh, banging, that flawless skin, those perfect lips. These are the reason that people get their lips done. Whether it's for a camera, whether it's for a photo, a little video, for a little pop it, lock it, or whether you're in a boardroom and you're having a meeting because you're about to be on the cover of Vogue. You gotta know your angle. You gotta know how to approach people. You gotta know how to vibe with different people from different backgrounds with different perspectives than you. But you also just gotta know how to kill it. When those cameras are flashing, boom, 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 boom. We don't play around here. Because when you can boom, 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 then everyone wants to boom, boom, boom you. And that is what truly makes a superstar. Because we're all just horny little freaks around here. All right, I promised my manager I wouldn't go too far into like OnlyFans content. So, gotta cool off. But seriously, knowing your angles in life, knowing what you stand for, knowing what you believe in, knowing what your heart is after, and knowing how much of a hot bitch you are is gonna pay off. Confidence is contagious. So, now number two, never take no for an answer. In fact, let those no's fuel you. Let those no's tell you that it's time to go deeper into your craft or into whatever it is that inspires you in life. Take it further. Make yourself better. Become more productive. Get more focused. Never listen to the haters. The haters are just the ones who are afraid to do something great with their life. And it might take some time to turn those no's into yeses. But I can guarantee you, if you work for it, those same people that were saying no to you 2 years ago will be saying yes to you today. So make today count and become so damn good at what you do. No's turn into yeses, and your mind is a positive one, where you're not focused on other people's opinions, but you're living for your truest nature, truest self. Oh yeah. Do you know how much I meditate and work out every single day? I'm like the hottest, most zen person I know. Grapes? You got me grapes from Tesco. I asked for blueberries from Whole Foods. I asked for blueberries from Whole Foods and you got me grapes from Tesco. I'm done. I'm done with my management. They can't even get a superstar like me what is on my rider. Done. Done. Done with you, Julia. Done. These grapes are kind of good. They probably taste better if they weren't lying all over the floor. Okay, wait, so what number are we on? 69? Well, that's actually my favorite number, so... Okay, 3333. Well, not 3,333, but 3. Spread positivity. Because that shit comes back at you in multitudes. I mean, I know I seem a little crazy and silly, but there's a method to my madness, and it's not called perfection. It's called love. Love, 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 love. It's for you, it's for me, it's for we. Besides love, you know what I love? Crystals. I believe you need at least 4 of them to be a rock star. Get it? Rock star. Oh my god, I should be arrested for all of these corny jokes. But you know, with my superpowers, I would just escape jail anyway, or I would have a lot of fun in there with some of the prisoners, if you know what I mean. I like it a little rough. Hold on, break. Oh, that actually does really smell good. I mean, this is how you become a superstar. You just smell good all the time, so people just want to be around you. Just like chasing down the streets, just trying to smell you. Miller Harris, you should sponsor me. Oh, look how beautiful that bottle is. Look how beautiful this bottle is. Beautiful packaging. Superstar packaging. With Miller Harris. Sponsor me. Okay, that's going over there now that I smell good and we figured out how to truly get people to just chase you down the street, because stalkers are sometimes a lot of fun. I probably won't even leave today, but I'll probably get like 5 knocks on the door just because they can smell me from the street. I hate it. I love when strangers visit for the afternoon. So talking about sponsorships, that goes really well into number 4, self-promotion. Hi, I'm Garrett. Hi, Garrett. I'm a superstar. Oh? Mm-hmm. What does that mean? I do splits and shit on stage and make amazing electronic music. Sounds sexual. It is. It really, really is. If you're not selling yourself at every moment, then how do you even expect to sell out Madison Square Garden in the future? Think about it. And you know, I know a thing or two about self-promotion because I have been in the entertainment industry since I was 15 years old in New York City. And this is before Instagram and all of that. So what we had to do, own it from within. And so I have always owned it. Not only knowing your worth, but being able to express it without it coming across in maybe the way that this video is coming across. But you know what I mean? Just really being full of your own self-expression, feeling yourself, and being able to make others comfortable around you so that they want to be around you too. Because the cooler you are, the further you get ahead in life. Boom, boom, boom. The angels are singing. I am given the flavor wisdom today. Or should I say the wisdom with a side of flavor? Damn, I need to copyright this shit. Genius. Hair flip. Hair flip. Oh. Ah. Focus, focus, focus. So I think that covers the 4 ways of how to be a superstar. Chest hair, know your angles in all ways of life. know what you stand for, know how to look flyer than fly. Never take no for an answer, because who the fuck cares about what other people think? Especially when they're probably not doing much with their life. If you're hating on people, you are not fulfilled. Wear amazing perfume. Spread positivity, because it's all about love. Even though I'm a little wild little animal. Something about tigers being hungry at midnight. Crystals. Energy. Oh, I love crystals. Self-promotion, because if you can't sell yourself, then nobody's gonna buy the ticket. My mixtape, available now. And I don't know how God jammed this much personality into one person with style and grace, but he, she, the unicorns of life managed to. So give me a like and subscribe, because I am taking over the industry in all ways, and I'm doing it with superstar energy. So 4 ways to be a superstar. You are so welcome, and I am so thankful for you being here. Thank you so much. I'm Garrett Paknis, and I send you a lot of love and blessings for 2021. Good riddance, 2020. Get the fuck out of here. Cheers. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here too. Mwah, mwah, mwah. New music soon, album dropping in April. Thank you, bye. Damn, I look really good. Oh, cute. Oh, the grapes. My management has to clean that up, because I'm not fucking touching that. Like and subscribe.